Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed Power BI in Confluence. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to Confluence, click here on Apps, click on Explore More Apps, and I want you to go ahead and install the Power BI app. So just search up a Power BI, okay? There we go, Power BI for Confluence, and this one has embed features. Okay, download this one right here. This is the logo, and I'll show you who it is made by as well. So this one is made by Presago. Okay, click on try it for free. You just need to select your site, and then we will install it. So this is the only site I have. If you have others, you can click on this drop down and choose that. It will be installed into Confluence. Click on review, and then go ahead and click on start free trial to begin the installation. So as you can see, it is being installed. As you can see, it has been successfully installed. And here you can see for this example as well, you just copy paste your link. So I'll show you how to do that. First, you just open up any page where you want to embed Power BI. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open up, let's say, this page right here. And all you need to do is just type in /, okay? Type in / and then just type in Power BI. So here we go, Microsoft Power BI. This will be added to the page. And now we click on Edit to set up. Okay, there we go. You just click on that. Now we need to just enter the Power BI URL. Make sure you have published it to the web when you're sharing it, and make sure it is a public URL. You just paste in your URL right here. You can adjust the settings for size and width, and it's really that easy. And that is how to embed Power BI in Confluence.